Hello, my name is Rockwell. I'm here in Terreno South in Lipa City. This is a development by Rockwell Land Corporation, and I'm standing here right now at their retail area, which is about a hectare in size. So expect modern conveniences located here, right in front of your village. Later, I'll be showing you where the entrance is, and we'll be driving through the village so you get an idea of how it looks like inside. And maybe you can see yourself living here. So anyway, let's go. So we're now here at the model unit. This model unit is not for sale, but it gives you an idea of what a 150 square meter lot would look like. It's a 3-bedroom house. It has a 1-car garage and 3 bathrooms. So I'll show you inside so you have an idea how it looks like.